This right here, hold on a second. We got to go on the other side so y'all can appreciate this. This right here is where the driveways. This is how it should look. We got the SS cleaned up. And we got the old Cum Daddy running, chilling. One thing I forgot to mention is since I've done the compounds, man, it has gotten so much quieter. The exhaust is like, it sounds quieter than when you first delete your truck. But I like it though, because when I'm driving, I can actually like hear and like understand like what's going on and stuff, man. But it's dope. Well, just when I thought I didn't have any content to make, something always happens. So you see here, we're back at it. All charging issues again. So this time I'm pretty positive now the alternator officially took a dump, and these batteries are shot too, because this battery it doesn't even have a load capacity on it. Let me see, get the glare out of it for you guys. You see there it says low. So this is the charge status down there, and the light's flashing. It's been on low for the last like hour. These batteries, the current is 7.8. The volts is not bad. It's like 12.4 or 12 and a half. Yeah, so the voltage when it's not, the alternator is not running, should be about 12. I believe it's like 12 volts, and then when it's running it should be 14 volts, but it's not. So alternator has warranty on it, lifetime, because I got it from Advanced Auto. So I'm just gonna take it there because I really don't feel like spending, you know, several $100s on buying like a nice aftermarket one. So if it has a warranty on it, I can get that swapped out for free. And then I am never ever running red top optimum batteries. These batteries are junk. These are the shortest lifespan batteries I've ever owned on a vehicle. I've had batteries from Walmart last 5-6 years, and these barely last over 3 years. I bought these batteries in January or April. I bought these batteries in April of 2017, and these batteries are garbage already. So we're taking these off, and we're about to do some. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So once again, we have an issue with the Cummins, the charging issue. I'm trying to get this thing done. I'm tired of it. It seems like it goes away, it comes back. I think the next process is going to be me completely gutting all of the battery wiring and redoing it with new wires. It's just one of those things, man. It's one of those things. So if you enjoy drama, if you enjoy seeing a bunch of weird stuff happening, this is the video you want to see. Stick around. I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take that alternator off right now because, well, I need to get it off so I can get it to the park. All right, guys. So I got the alternator off. The batteries are in the truck. We're gonna be taking the Impala. You guys can check this out right here. Phone call coming in. Nope, not today. So we got both the red tops, and look, I bought the sticker for that battery January 2017 and March of 17. So I bought these back in April of 2017, and these batteries are shit. I'm keeping these. I paid for these. They're garbage. I highly do not recommend red top optimum batteries. I've had nothing but issues with them since I've had it. Between charging, they're not worth it. They're not. I've had Walmart batteries that were way more reliable than these pieces of junk. And then the alternator, I was looking at it. It doesn't look, I mean, it does look a little bad, a little old, but I put this back on in, like, you know, fall of 17, so like it's not even 5 years old, and it's Bosch. You know, it has Bosch on it, so I don't know, man. I don't know. These third gens though, these Dodge wiring third gens are super finicky. You know, one ground not in the right spot, and get my camera right. One ground not in the right spot, man, and it fries. I don't know, these trucks just are super finicky with that canvas system. So we're gonna go to Walmart now, but first we'll go to Advanced Auto. Oh, it feels so good in here with the AC on. Oh my god. So first we're gonna go Advanced Auto, get the alternator tested. I really hope it does test bad, because I want a new one. I'm tired of thinking it's good. I hope it's bad so I can get a new one. 1-for-1 swap, and then we're gonna go to a spot to get the batteries. I'm gonna show you what batteries we're. All right, we're back at the crib now. So we got some batteries and the brand new alternator. Boom, this is the brand I went with. I got me some Everstart Max. Oh, you guys can't see it. Yeah, whatever. I got me some Everstart Max 850 cranking amps, 1000 cold cranking amps. The stickers, July of this year. So these are like brand spanking new. The reason why I went with Walmart batteries is because I've ran Walmart batteries in the past on all of my vehicles. I'm talking Crown Vics, Cadillacs, Dodges. I've had my Power Stroke. I've had Everstart batteries on all of these. Never had issues. I mean, I would get at least 4 years out of them before they went bad. Those Optimals were trash. I traded them in to get my core return back. Each battery was $98 at Walmart. I paid like $220 something with taxes when I was done with it, and then I got my $244, got back 25 bucks core, so like $220 and some change. You can't beat that. I mean, I like to give my money to Advanced Auto, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, but they can't compete because all of theirs, the cheapest ones they had, with the same quality, with a 3-year warranty on each one, was $150, $160 each. And they had diehards, and then I don't like Duralast. I think their batteries suck. I could have got like Interstates or something, but they're expensive, you know. And you know, we're not trying to spend a bunch of money just to have batteries. They're batteries. They all do the same thing. Alternator. Got a replacement one. This is just a generic reman one from the brand, from the parts store. Everything was good on it though, pretty clean. So I probably should, if you guys don't know how to change an alternator, it's super simple on these trucks. I'm not gonna sit here and show you how to change it. There's tons of good videos out there showing how to change an alternator on the Cummins. Super simple. So I'm gonna pop this in, get this all put back on, and then get the batteries in, and I'll show you guys what we got going on. It's gotta have the white claws on deck. All right, you guys, so alternator is installed. It took about all of 15 minutes. Even with the compounds here, it's actually not that bad. I'm getting pretty good working in this side of my truck. You know, I'm pretty good at figuring out all the little ins and out. But as you can see, brand new alternator is in, belts attached again. Super simple. Reconnected the backside, connect the cables, air filters installed again because I had to take it off to access, be able to fully remove it. I'm about to button up this side. I took out the wheel well liner. Figured I'd let you guys see, you know, the compounds sitting up in there. Uh-oh. Figured I'd let y'all see the compound sitting up in there looking all pretty. Yeah, some people, a while ago when I first installed it, they were like, why is your air filter so low? It's like, dog, first thing, my truck is 10.5 inches tall in the front. Number two, the filter, that's the frame, and there's the filter. They were like, oh, it's so low, water is gonna get into it, that's not safe. If you got water up to there at the bottom of the filter, you are in some shit you don't need to be in, especially in that truck. Cause so the bottom of the filter on my truck, that's about, shit, it has to be at least what, 4 feet up? It's up there. It's definitely up there. Like if water is anywhere here, you're submerging your turbo, which, I mean, at that point, I don't know what you're getting into, but this is not that type of truck. But yeah, so gonna put the cover back on, the wheel well liner back on over here. Gonna slap the batteries in, we're gonna crank this girl up. All right, we got the batteries installed. This is how I have to show you guys the engine now. So new battery is in over there, and new battery is in over there. I'm gonna get up with Ashby's Diesel out here in Holly Shelter, or Holly Ridge, North Carolina. They're gonna redo all my battery wiring for me. We actually talked about it in the past when I dynoed this truck a couple months ago, back in March. We're gonna be getting all this redone, and then I'm gonna get a dedicated circuit board inside the truck, so that way all of my accessories will run to that instead of me having multiple wires on, you know, the positive and negatives and stuff. The only one that I really want on here is the amp steps and my fast lift pump. Everything else can go inside, so that way we limit parasitic draws, which I really didn't have a problem with that before. I broke a negative wire. I don't even know what this goes to. I'm pretty sure this is for my glow shift lights. So if they don't come on, that's because that wire, that ground is busted. But let's go ahead and crank her up. Make sure the engine bay is clear. And yes, oh, my amp steps popped down. That's a good sign. Oh man, look at my arm, dude. It's just so, it's not gonna focus, man, but it's so hot out here. All right, let's see what we get. All right. My main concern is that right there, that lightning bolt and that voltage, but it's already reading high, so I know we're good. Oh yeah, jumping right up, just like it's supposed to. Let's get the gauges going, finish that, okay. Oh yeah, oh wow. Going gonna get hit. Yeah, that was my glow shift ground. So I gotta reconnect that because all of these are dead. I don't even know how it popped. Like, how did it pop it? Because it, whatever. That's just one more thing I gotta do. So, okay, well, we got solid 14 volts, you guys. Truck's alive again. Turn on the headlights, make sure everything works good. All the lights and stuff are fine, so I would consider this a successful mission. All right, you guys. Ooh. Oh man, it's so humid out here, man. Sweat. But she good though, she good. Everything's all hunky-dory. I'm like trying to look for leaks even though I didn't do nothing involving fluids. Just nature of habit. But the Walmart batteries will do the job. They'll do the job, so I ain't worried about it. But all right then. All right, you guys, this is the end of the video. It was a little wild, last second, off the wall video. If you guys enjoyed it, smash the thumbs up. Thank you for checking out the channel. Until next time, you guys take it easy, be safe. I'm not gonna lie, I'll be real with y'all. You guys know I work every day. The money I spent on batteries today, the $200 and something, that was gonna go towards valve springs, but we're gonna have to kind of put that on hold because I just spent that money for it. So shit happens, just like the bumper sticker says. So, but yeah. So if you enjoyed it, thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell me guys about the battery experience, the alternator experience. Would love to hear your opinions. And until next time, you guys take it easy. Be safe. Peace out, and have a good week.